Perfect fit closets. How to use garage parts, garage door, connect between decks. Underneath the local browser, using our PFC Canada catalog, underneath categories, we will find our closet section and our garage section. Underneath parts, we will find our garage door connect between decks. Just so you know, if I click, I already have these garage cabinets in my design, and I'll right click on this tall model, go to attributes, or tall cabinet actually is how we call the garage cabinetry. So here, as you can see, we have a garage deck at the bottom and the garage deck at the top that are 1 inch thick. So when we call garage door connect between decks, it can only be connected between the deck at the top and the deck at the bottom. So going back to my design, I will start adding my garage doors. So I'm thinking to add doors all over this top section. In here, these two tall cabinets and these two in here because I'm leaving this section for drawers. And I think I will add a garage door in here and in this one and leave these cabinets open. So I will proceed to select my garage door, connect between decks and drag it, drop it. And as you can see, like I have a fixed shelf there, but as with the closets cabinets, like more models, we could um, attach them between shelves. So the difference with these garage cabinets is that we can only do them between decks. So because I wanted to split this two instead of having this long door in the tall cabinet, that's the reason why I add a different cabinet, another cabinet in here and stack them together, just moving that up and down and like manually, right? So let me just click on undo real quick here, just to make sure I didn't move anything and go back. Sorry about that. And add my garage door again. So I want garage door in this cabinet, in this other one. I'll add all my doors where I want them. So, oh, sorry. This won't work because I don't have where to attach that hinge in there, but I'll just resize the height. I want it here. I want my other door in here. And in all this upper section in here, I want doors everywhere. I'm just dragging and moving with my mouse to the next cabinet that I want. It attached to the wrong one again because it's between decks. So I will or delete it, or I can also resize the height. So I just did that, resize the height to put it in the right place. Move my mouse up. It's closer to the cabinet where I want it. And I think I'll do this too. The last one, the last two doors in here. And if I right click on one of my garage door garage door and go to attributes. Click out here. I'll be able to see my two doors and all the items and its components. So I have a left door that comes with the soft close plate, the system screw posy, and the soft close hinge 110 full overlay for the garage doors. And same thing for the right garage door. It's showing here handle, but if you see in here the manufacturer code, it's NH, so that's no handle unless you add it in the features and options. So here the soft close plate, I will show you the quantity. The system screw comes with a 12, and the soft close hinge, again, it comes with 6. And that is for each door. So if I go to variables, I'll be able to see my door quantity in here, that I can override the 2 doors, from 2 doors to 1 door, depending on the width of your cabinet. In this case, because it's I believe a 36-inch wide cabinet, it won't let you, because we have a maximum of around 24 inches per 1 door. So this won't work in here, so just keep it at default. And the thickness, that it says that the thickness of the door, that is 3/4, the height, and the width of the 2 doors combined together. And if you want to add a lock or not, the hinge on the left, on the right, in this case is on both sides because it's 2 doors. And here you're able to open the door to show it in your perspective if you want to, just to show the interior of your cabinet. And I'll leave it open just to leave it as an example. I'll just open it a little bit more. And I can also type in here the degrees if I want it open at 90 degrees. And click on apply and OK, or hit enter. And also, if I want to just have, for example, these 2 doors, the G door, go to features and options after I right click, and if I want to change it, add the handle, for example, just to that one, choose this and change the color of my doors. I can select that here, level 2, for example, and change it again to Cheer Beauty. I can click on OK. And I'll do the same with this one, the G door. Go to features and options. Add my 288 millimeter stainless steel handle. Change my color, the finish of my door to the level 2 in Cheer Beauty. Click on OK. And going back to features and options, we can only do the aero doors for the garage. We can't do any shaker or glass door. So that will be another difference with our closet system. Going again to click on OK. And I think I have my perspective open somewhere here. And as I told you before, I have this door open just to show you how it looks like. What do I have inside? And I change the color of just these two doors so you can play around with all your doors, drawers, and each shelf and models if you want. So if you have any questions about garage door or any other questions, please contact us at support@perfecttapecanada.com.